Next one is this one, which is so colorless, so dark. This is a drug bust. Is it a gun? Yeah, let's take a look. Alright. A relatively small bag. Okay, let's go first for the wallet. I will 100% understand if you guys will not be able to guess who this is from. Because for me as well, I was like shocked. I'm like, this doesn't match my image of this person. 正直キアラも本人とはイメージ全く合わないと思ってた。だからみんなも迷うなと思います。If we look very closely, we see Chanel right there. 一応ね、シャネル。一応。Alright, guys, I have in the chat not seen a single correct answer, and I've been looking for a while. Until now, it is Kobo. なんだと It's Kobo. Yeah. I am as confused as you guys are.
Iya, ya udah sih. Kobo nggak suka bawa tas-tas yang gede. Kobo tuh soalnya bawaannya cuman HP, dompet, dah selesai. Dah itu doang. HP sama dompet. Jadi Kobo cuman bawa tas kecil doang. Makasih guys.